For this video, I'm going to see if an all-purpose cleaner sold at Dollar General can remove some pitch buildup on my new to me Festool TS75 blade. But before we get to that, I would like to thank you for stopping by to watch this video. And if you're new to the channel and like what you saw here, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button before you go. So with that being said, let's begin. You can see here that there are some areas on the blade that have some buildup, and even though this blade does have a broken tooth, it really isn't in that bad a shape. Based on the recommendation of my buddy Al Amantea, I went to my local Dollar General and bought some of LA's totally awesome all-purpose cleaner. This ran me $1 plus tax, which definitely beats the $11.99 I was going to spend at Rockler. So let's sit back and see how well this stuff performs now, shall we? Now this whole process took me less than 10 minutes. I know the buildup on the blade wasn't that bad, but this cleaner did a great job at breaking it down fast, and the nylon brush was more than adequate enough to remove all the debris. Once I cleaned both sides, I rinsed and dried the blade thoroughly, and as you can see here, the blade didn't turn out half bad. I'm very pleased with how this cleaner worked, and even more pleased with how much I didn't spend to get a great result. And on that note, I'm going to call this video done. I'd like to thank you for watching, and until next time, take care, and have a good one.